We have 48 hours to make a wedding dress and a wedding cake. Can we deliver?
Don't you worry, I'm fine and I got nobody to blame.
In this week's episode, we are doing a wedding dress and a wedding cake. We are a couple that does crafts and lifestyle content. My name is Megs, and the guy that you see in the video is my husband. His name is Dave. Dave is going to do the wedding dress and I'm going to do the wedding cake. This is not the first time Dave is doing the wedding dress. He also did my wedding dress for our wedding. You know that there is a myth that says the groom doesn't have to know or see the bride's wedding dress. But in our case, he is the one who made the wedding dress. So guys, if you're going to enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share the video with your friends and family. This is going to be a traditional wedding, so the client came to us, the bride and the groom, and they trusted us with their dress, with the bride's dress and the wedding cake. So we are making a traditional wedding dress and a traditional wedding cake. So enjoy. We are making this wedding dress and wedding cake in 48 hours. So Dave has already started on the dress last night. That was the first part of the video that you just watched. He goes to work, so whenever he comes back from work, that's when he starts working. So today I'm just going to shop some cake ingredients because I need to start on the cake today. So Dave is going to finish off the dress a day before me, and I'm going to finish the cake a day after Dave. So it's going to be fair. That's going to be 48 hours. This is a Wednesday. This is actually a Thursday afternoon after doing the shopping, and Dave is coming from work and is going to continue with the dress, and I'm going to start with the baking.
This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I want to say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some way.
I'm making a vanilla cake with chocolate and vanilla buttercream. This is going to be a double tier cake. If you want to see more of my baking, you can go to the baking playlist on this channel and you can check out how to make a vanilla cake. It's now Friday morning, and last night I did the baking. I finished baking around, I think around 10 p.m. and I was so exhausted, so I just wrapped the cakes like this. I wrap the cakes like this immediately after baking, just to keep them moist. So if you didn't know, this is a tip for you. If you want to keep your cakes moist, you need to wrap them as soon as you take them off the oven. So today it's going to be buttercream day, so I'm just going to make some buttercream. And right now it's, what's the time? It's 10:13 in the morning. Of course it's still morning. So I need to start working. I'm now done putting the buttercream on the cakes, so I'm going to leave the cakes in the fridge overnight for the buttercream to firm up, and I can start with the decorating. Dave here is almost done with the dress. He's just doing the finishing touches on the dress, putting in everything that's needed for the dress, and the bride is coming for the last fitting, for the final fitting.
Like the world is on our side, nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, hey, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth. On earth. I found an angel.
It's a wow. It's
Found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide just to see how
dzokera mashure mbijam. Kubuda kuti buchaiko. Wow,
bright
it's gorgeous. Zvakanaka futi. It's too good.
You can do
Or with
I'm on
I think it means
make it on a dress.
I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on
sugar. It's fruit. Oh, now that white enjoyable. Since I use Basabo, I'm got. You look at it again.
Your dress, madam. It's fine. Oh, Good morning. It's now a Saturday morning. So yesterday I did the buttercream. I just took out the cake. Now they're nice for decoration. So it's around 5:39. So the cake is supposed to be collected around 9 o'clock. So I'm hoping to do this in 2 hours. So I'm not going to be talking much. So I'm going to put this on time lapse to make it quick. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying.
This is the most worrying stage of staking a cake. And right now I'm just thinking it has to go in. And I was actually glad it did.
Just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You're gonna make it. Got it. I believe in you. Got it. Trying. Keep on trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it. Got it. 'Cause I believe in you. Yeah. Just keep on trying.
I am done making the wedding cake, and also Dave finished making the dress last evening, and it was collected by the bride and groom. So the groom is collecting the cake this morning, and it's also the day of the Roora event, the traditional wedding. Please let us know in the comments what you think about the whole video. Thank you so much for watching, and congratulations to the beautiful bride and groom, and may God bless your marriage. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.